Hello, this is Daryl from Passing Lane Motors. Today I'd like to show you our new arrival, a 1965 442. This car is in absolutely pristine condition. A couple of great features about this one that just came in. It is original, matching numbers, 100% car from front to rear. It does have the 400 4-barrel dual exhaust, power brakes, power steering. In the car we have bucket seats, console, factory tack, power windows on this car. Every single thing works. Let's fire it up for you today. Oh, where's the keys? Here's the spin around ashtray in these old cars. Does have a FM converter so that the original AM radio still plays in the original speakers. All the dome lights work, map lights work. There's the trim tag. This car is air conditioned and the air conditioning does work. 63,000 original miles. This car is completely documented. Let's listen to the engine. This is a 400. Take you back, let's listen to the exhaust. This car has a beautiful paint job. It is an older paint job. It was painted in '97. Even the clock in the dash still works. It has a beautiful dash in this car. Let's close up everything. The doors shut great. Nothing hangs on this car. There's the hinges. Original matte, power steering. Check all the correct colors, stickers, emblems. Take you back and show you the trunk. This car has a gorgeous, gorgeous paint job. Find the right key here. Sorry about that. Well, maybe I won't show you the trunk right this minute. There we go. Here's the trunk. All correct upholstered. Correct cover. Comes with the original jack. Here is underneath the mat, just so you don't think we're hiding anything. This car is absolutely gorgeous. Here's the mat. Anyway, this is our 1965 Oldsmobile 442. All original, all matching numbers, completely documented. Don't forget, call Daryl, 636-600-1140. It's Passing Lane Motors. Anything we can do to help you, please let us know. Thanks a lot and have a great day.